Hi guys, you can see that this is my power bank and which is already dead. Now I need to repair my power bank. First of all, just remove the back cage, and you can see this is the back cage, and I also use the hot gun. It's hot gun and it's provide the heat to remove the cage. It's removing with the glue gun, and just as I pressing the heat, and then I try to remove this catch with anti-cutter, or you may use another tools like a screwdriver, etc. Yes, remove. Just remove the catch. Then you may get 2 screws inside the here. Now open the screw about 60 or 70%. Don't remove screw in fully in the catch, and you may see that. Then push the hair and finally open the screw at 100%. Then the battery is removed from the main cage, and you can see this is the internal parts, and this is the 1000 milliampere lithium polymer battery. Now I try to find what happening inside in my power bank. Why is that? Now I just connect the charger again and check my portion is okay or not. It's totally damaged or totally dead. Now just remove the cable, then I check the battery health with the multimeter, and it also fine. Yes, it's fine. Now what happened inside here? And you may see that there is the circuit of the power bank, and there are also 2 screws. I just remove the screw and get out the circuit from the case. Just removing the screw, and the fin. Carefully remove the fin. Yes, all is done. Sorry for my bad English. I also carefully check every connection, battery plus minus connection, ground connection, all is okay, and this the IC also okay. But why it's dead? Now I press the heat to recover my power bank. You may heat about 1 minute, then it's enough. And now I connect. Now I connect the charger and it's come back and it's working, and you can see the LED indicator also blinking. That means it will get back again. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel, or you may have any kind of problem, please comment in the below. I will reply. Thanks for watching again.